Wavebar Flexible Noise Barrier, an effective way to reduce noise through walls and ceilings. Modern day living creates excessive noise. Sound travels through walls due to the lightweight construction of modern buildings and increased volume from home entertainment. This can disturb others as the transmitted sound disrupts comfort and sleep. To improve wall constructions, firstly, use SORBERPOLYESTER for cavity absorption. Wavebar is then applied. Fix Wavebar to the frame with nails, then apply the finished layer of plasterboard over the top. Once installed, Wavebar reflects noise and its energy. When the sound waves hit Wavebar, they are absorbed within the material and reflected, reducing sound energy and the noise that disturbs daily living and comfort. Pyrotek Noise Control products for a quieter life.